Morning guys, good morning. Today I'm going on the road and I'll bring you guys with me. I'm gonna try something new. As you see the title, I'm gonna try Jamaican vegan food. Okay, so I'm pretty excited for that, so stay tuned. Sure if any of you guys have ever tried Jamaican vegan food, but I want you to leave a comment and let me know if you had tried it before. I'm also here drinking my protein shake. Tastes really good. Try get full. So can stay full until it's time to eat. This is really good. This is in the flavor caramel. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. Well, what me think me I wear. But I bring them downstairs because Christian and the baby still sleeping and I'm leaving. But yeah, I took a shower already, getting the baby water ready so I can leave her. It's actually boiling. And then I have my clothes downstairs. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Alright guys. So I have these stuff. I'm gonna bring them back to Zara. I ordered them online. This is a small, this is a very cute top. You guys know I love Zara. I have a all coming for Zara, so stay tuned for that. Can't say me never tell you know. But anyway, I bought this top from them. It's small. I'm gonna see if they have a medium in store. If not, I'll place another order online. People may spend like $700 on Zara. And them you're not included, the rest of stuff coming. I'll do a haul when it comes. This skirt now, which is very classic, it's a medium and it can't fit, so I see this is $50 the skirt alone. So I might go in store and try a large or an extra large because this doesn't stretch, I guess because of the material. And then this cute little shorts, the one here is $40. I like these shorts. You know, today I was gonna wear both of these, tuck it in, cause girl belly no big again. Well, it's a good new. But yeah, I was gonna wear this shorts today, but it's also a medium and it can't fit. So I'm gonna bring these back to Zara and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. It's around here. So let me show you guys. These are the accessories that's going on my hand. I have this mirror, I have this shades. I might put this on. You see, because it's clear, so it's a mirror. I'm gonna wear this little crossbody bag. It's in this, and my shoes is that. I got this dress jacket type of thingy from H&M. That's H&M. I love it. With the split, really nice. But this is the bag. People will buy the bag here probably a year and a half now, and I haven't used it. It's a cute little bag. It's Salvatore Ferragamo. Most of them must know it. I bought Christina belt in this brand also. Really nice brand. I like their logo. Oops. So this is the bag. Really nice. We're gonna wear this with this, and then this is my shoes. My husband buy the shoes with me. Oh my god, I was so tempted. I think it's really cute. You see, with the Medusa head on it. And this is a Versace shoes. He actually bought me a bigger size and it did too big, so I guess they fit big, so he had to bring it back. But these shoes, the details, when I put this on guys with my accessories on my foot, it's gonna be so cute. Yeah, this is what we're wearing today. Let me show you guys everything together. They match. So this is our outfit for today. Our dress jacket and our shoes, and it really match, you know. It's the same exact color. And then this black Ferragamo bag. I have to bring this bag. May I put it in my car because I have to bring back Zara stuff. So this will still be my car. And then let me see, I don't know if my purse. maybe this. Oh my god, I love this wallet. It's a Jimmy Choo with all of my cards in it. Let me tell you something, this is really classic and cute. You see the material? I might put this down in this, you know, gold are my favorite. It have a lot of space for if people don't have only for cards. See, I even have space here because I don't put them see, I carry them bungle up. But yeah, we got a gold purse and we got a gold card right there. So but I love this Jimmy Choo. I might put this in this just in case we don't want to bring the bag outside. But yeah, that's what we're wearing today. But yeah, me been a cough. I don't have no COVID though, but my throat hurt me, and my sinus, a matter of fact, my sinus sometimes when it start drain, it's rough. But anyway, your girl is gonna get cute. I think I'm wearing these two necklaces. I put them on already. One is WatchCrissyWork and one's the Crissy. Let me tell you something, my face is getting perfect. Perfect is not a word because nothing is perfect, but my face is coming together, guys. I have a skincare coming. I'm so excited for somebody who never used to take care of their skin, you know, start taking care of their skin, do them investigation, coming out with something for yourself. Oh my god, listen, girl is gonna be lit when you can find a people. Let me ask you something, and I need you guys to comment. You guys know how much it costs to get a chemist? Google it. But anyway, my skin is getting better. As you see, it's moisturized, so it's not dried out with the stuff that we're using. So I'm excited to launch that for you guys. I've been grinding, I've been working. Oh my god, just stay tuned. But anyway, we're gonna get our makeup done as usual. When I go up on the road, I want to beat the face, and my edges are people, like literally my edges are grow back. I am shocked. You see that? It's growing back. Yeah, so let's go and get ready. Stay tuned, I'll be back. So guys, my makeup is done. I'm gonna go get dressed now and then leave out. You guys like it? You know, I got in some new eyes and I'm wearing a bigger lash today. So this lash is Icon, yeah, and I'm wearing confetti gray contact lens. I was wearing confetti brown, but I have gray too. And my lips are, I think it's Decent or Secret with the brown anchor pencil, and the rest is history. Yeah, so I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll show you guys when I get dressed. All right guys, so I am ready. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. This is the dress. I got my bag on and my shoes. I don't know if you can see it, but this is it. I'll take a picture so you guys will see more, but this is what I'm wearing. I like this. It's thick and the material feels so good. So let's go on the road. Let me show you my shoes. But yeah, so let's go. See you on the other side, guys. Comment and tell me if you like my makeup. I think it's really nice. All right, so guys, I leave out and I have the camera in my hand, so obviously I'm not driving. So we are off to the vegan restaurant first time trying Jamaican vegan food. Hopefully I don't have to run to Chick-fil-A after. But yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys with me and I'm gonna tell you where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going, but my GPS is driving because I don't see no GPS. She know where she's going. So once I reach, and we're gonna eat that food together, so stay tuned. So guys, I am in Eatonville, which is the first black district in Orlando. Is it Orlando?
Yeah, it's Orlando, Winter Park.
Yeah, Winter Park, Orlando. So we're basically just passing through, and yeah, I just want to go and look at knowledge, because me just know that Janice just tell me. so I just know it. But yeah, guys, so we reach our restaurant. Okay, so we are at the vegan restaurant, and I'll show you guys once I get there, get in, or I don't know how them do it, but stay tuned. In your dog. Alright guys, so I've placed the order already, so I'm just waiting on the food. And we wanted to try the burger also, but today they don't have burgers, it's tomorrow. But it's like what, 15 minutes from the house? Yeah. So I can always come back. But I'm gonna tell you how this tastes, and then I'm gonna tell you guys what I got as soon as I get the food. Alright, so they do prepare it on spot, so I'm excited. I'm hungry also. When we eat, all I had this morning was a protein shake, so that's it. So we're gonna eat down the place good today. By the way, the juice I have is good. Is it natural? Okay, alright.
And they do personal chef meals too.
Oh, they do? Like, yeah, if I want to hire them?
Yes, like they do personal chef meals in here, you know what I'm saying? Really? Yeah, like...
Oh,
like,
see? Yeah, well, it's right there.
Yeah.
So this is her. She's really beautiful. She's Jamaican also. Her name is, what was the name I saw on the thing? I had a flyer with her name. Chef Jen or something like that. So this is her, guys. Can't wait, I got my food, but we're gonna try some vegan ice cream also. Grape nut, strawberry, and butter pecan. Is it a butter pecan? Alright guys, so this is it. See? Everything is vegan. Alright, let's see the food. Let's surprise you guys and myself. Oh, you see that? What she said was what? Cauliflower, sweet and sour what?
Sweet and sour chicken, jerk chicken, and I think it's something.
Well, I have to take a picture. So guys, this is it. I also have a natural drinking which tastes really good. It's mango pineapple juice.
Sure, the ice cream.
And then guess what? I have ice cream too. We have vegan ice cream. We have grape nut right here. Pass the other one. We have this is what, butter pecan, and we have strawberry, which is this. So even the ice cream, I'm excited. Let me go taste this food, and I'll tell you guys how it tastes, so you guys can come over here and try it. Okay? Guys, let me tell you something. Me not hype up about food, and hold on. Oh my God, you will not miss meat. But the rice is rice. This is a vegan jerk chicken. People more want another plate. This tastes so good. Even the straw when I drink with, it's not even a straw. It's not even plastic. Oh my God. Guys, come over here. It's spicy and nice. You say it was sweet and sour spicy. Sweet and sour. I don't remember what I'm eating, but I know it's two different. It's crispy chicken and jerk chicken.
And something sweet and sour.
Oh my God. No wonder all so much people there. In and out. This is the crispy chicken. Let me try it. Guys, when I'm done, I can't eat and talk. Let me tell you something. I'm done with my food, but I was so into the ice cream. You don't miss milk. Like this food, oh my God, is, I don't know if it's telling us say, but it's like, you sure no chicken there eat? That's what I'm asking. But listen, The ice cream, it's all three mixed together. It tastes so good. You don't miss ice cream with this. The food, people, I forget one other one. Me not lie. Me order another food. So I'm gonna eat another food. It tastes really good. I think I'm gonna bring the kids and Cushy in here also and let them try it. It is really good. So you guys need to come out. This is the only restaurant. Just to realize it's the only restaurant. So if you're in the Orlando area or wherever, you can even call and place an order. So come and check them out. On Saturdays they'll have the burger. It doesn't matter where you want to eat. If you want to eat burger, you're gonna get vegan burger. And she's Jamaican. Her sauce is nice. It have a little spice to it because I get the sweet and sour cauliflower, something like that with the slaw. It's like, yeah. And then I get crispy chicken and jerk chicken and the rice. The food tastes really nice, and that's a popular meal. So when you come here, you can ask them for that. And if you want little ice cream for eat too, and then they have something, not oxtail, oxtail. I think that only serve on Sundays. I think I'm gonna come here and try that because I want to try oxtail, because this basically it have to taste like oxtail, because the jerk chicken tastes like jerk chicken, the crispy chicken tastes like crispy chicken, even though it's not chicken. So you guys need to come out here and try this lady food. It tastes really good. The food is clean, it's oil free, so you don't have to worry about grease. I love it. The ice cream. Oh, by the way, the stuff them utensils and stuff like that, the plate where you eat out of the box into soil after 90 days. I just realized that. So yeah, the food, it have a buzz. Ooh. Hey guys, so guess what, I'm home. I'm tired, but guess what we're gonna do after dark right now. But I did try the vegan food today. I did went to Zara and I did made another order, but I'm gonna leave that for another time and I'll tell you what that is. I'm home safe. Everybody's home, husband is home, kids in them bed asleep, and I'm tired. So after dark time, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Until I'm back, big up on yourself, okay?